what you've learned about. Let's summarize what you've learned about volcanoes. A volcano is a mountain that builds up around an opening in Earth's crust. Sometimes melted rock, gases, and pieces of rock are forced out of a volcano. This is called an eruption. A volcanic eruption can cause land to change suddenly. When some volcanoes erupt, gases trapped in magma, or melted rock, come to the surface. The gases begin to escape. When gas escapes easily, there is a gentle eruption. When trapped gases build up pressure in magma, there can be an explosive eruption. Magma can rise up through a central opening in a volcano called a vent. Once magma reaches Earth's surface, it is called lava. Lava can ooze from the volcano slowly or leave the volcano in an explosion. When lava flows over Earth, it cools and hardens. Over time, it causes a mountain to form. Most volcanoes occur along faults. Where Earth's plates move together, one plate can be pushed beneath another. The plate moving down melts and is changed to magma. Magma rises up through Earth's crust to form volcanoes. Volcanoes also form where Earth's plates move apart. They form along the edges of the spreading plates. These are called rift volcanoes. Most rift volcanoes form along the ocean floor. Sometimes volcanoes form where plates do not meet. How? Geologists think that a plate may move over a hot spot, a place where magma partially melts through Earth's crust. As a plate moves over a hot spot, magma rises, forming a volcano. The state of Hawaii is a chain of islands. As the plate moved over the hot spot, each island was formed. Hawaii is the youngest island. It is still forming over the hot spot. It is an active volcano. This means that the volcano is still erupting. The island of Kauai is the oldest island. It passed over the hot spot a long time ago. It is a dormant volcano. This means that the volcano no longer erupts. A volcano's shape depends on the kind of lava that erupts from it. A cinder cone volcano is shaped like a cone. It has steep sides. Because the magma is thick, it can become clogged in the volcano. A lot of gas is trapped in the magma. Pressure builds up from these gases until they finally explode out of the magma. Lava bursts into the air. It falls into pieces around the vent. A cup-like shape forms around the vent of the volcano. This is called a crater. A shield volcano has sides that are wide and flat. It is formed by layers of lava that build up over time. The lava flows gently out in all directions from one or more openings. The Hawaiian Islands are an example of shield volcanoes. A composite volcano is made up of layers of lava and ash. It forms during periods of quiet eruptions and explosive eruptions. The eruptions seem to take turns. An eruption may be explosive one time. Then it may have a quiet period in which lava flows gently. Over time, the layers build up to form a cone shape. This kind of volcano is usually symmetrical. In the past, scientists did not always know when a volcano was going to erupt. Today, special equipment helps scientists to predict eruptions. People cannot prevent eruptions. However, there are things you can do to stay safe where volcanoes are still active. Stay away from active volcano sites and lava flows. Have a pair of goggles and a breathing mask available for each member of your family. Leave the area immediately if told to do so. Wear long-sleeve shirts and long pants. If you are indoors near an erupting volcano, close all windows and doors. If you are caught outdoors, find the nearest shelter and stay inside. Magma makes its way to Earth's surface in a volcano. Volcanoes form along Earth's moving plates and at hot spots. Some kinds of volcanoes are cinder cone, shield, and composite. You can protect yourself during an erupting volcano by being prepared. How are volcanoes formed? Volcanoes are formed when magma rises up from the Earth's crust through a vent and becomes deposited as lava around it. Is the following statement true or false? A crater is a place where magma has partially melted through Earth's crust. How did the Hawaiian Islands form? A plate moved over a hot spot in the Pacific Ocean. Magma rose through Earth's crust and emerged as lava, which built up around a vent, forming a volcanic island. After it passed over the hot spot, the volcano became dormant. A new volcano formed over the hot spot. How is volcano formation different from erosion and weathering? Weathering and erosion wear away the land, while the formation of a volcano builds up the land. Which of these is not a type of volcano? A. Suppose you are a scientist traveling to the Ring of Fire region in the Pacific Ocean